Welcome to my channel, viewers. Here we are discussing important sums on angles of elevation and angles of depression. So we are taking two important sums from class 10 Cbse curriculum, lesson 9. Question number 10 is two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation and top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distances of the point from the poles. So say this is the width of the road and there are two poles of equal height. Let's say these are the poles. Say this is AB and this is CD. So CD equal to AB. Now there is a point on the road, that means on BD, from where the angles of elevations are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. So we will consider one point, this point closer to suppose D. Say it is E. Now this angle is 60 degree and say this angle is 30 degree, right? Angles of elevation, this angle is 30 degree. Now we have to find the height of the poles AB or CD and distances of the point from the poles, means what is DE and what is BE, right? You are given the width of the road is 80 meter wide. This is 80 meter. So you are given that AB equal to CD and BD equal to 80 meter, angle CED equal to 60 degree, angle AEB equal to 30 degree, right? Now let's say DE equal to suppose X. Then what is BE? Therefore BE equal to 80 minus X, right? Total length is 80 meter. So if DE equal to X, if this is X, then this would be 80 minus X, right? Now in triangle AEB, let us think about this triangle. You use tan 30 degree here. Tan 30 degree means opposite by adjacent BE. So tan 30 degree, remember it is 1 by square root of 3. AB is suppose H. This is H, suppose. Same thing, H. And BE equal to 80 minus X. So you can write it as 80 minus X equal to H root 3. Or you can say X equal to 80 minus H root 3. This is suppose 1. Now let us come to triangle CDE. In triangle CDE, you see tan 60 degree equal to here CD by DE, right? This implies that what is tan 60 degree? Square root of 3. CD equal to H and DE equal to X. So you can write it as H equal to X multiplied by square root of 3 or square root of 3 multiplied by X. This is suppose equation number 2. Now from equation 1, you can substitute the value of H from this equation 2, right? From equation 1, you can write X equal to 80 minus H root 3 equal to 80 minus, what is H? Square root of 3 into X multiplied by square root of 3, or you can write it as 80 minus 3x. Square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3, that is 3. Now you can solve it, this equation. You find that 4x equal to 80, x equal to 20, right? So x equal to 20, d equal to 20, so that is d equal to 20 meter. Then what is be? Be equal to 80 minus x. 80 minus x means 80 minus 20, 60 meter. Now you have to find the height of the poles. So let us say equation 2. From equation 2, you can write it. Equation 2 implies that h equal to square root of 3 multiplied by x. X you already got 20. That means 20 root 3. So height of poles 20 square root of 3 meter. Right? This is the height of the poles. So find the height of the pole. Height of the pole is 20 root 3 meter, and distances of the point from the poles. So this point is 20 meter from away from D, means this pole, and this point E is 60 meter away from the pole AB. B equal to 60 meter. Let's come to next question. This is question number 11 of Cbse lesson 9, class 10. A TV tower stands vertically on the bank of a canal. This is the TV tower. Say it is AB. The picture is also given. From a point on the ground, from a point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower. This point, say it is C. This is the canal. Canal means there is a canal between the TV tower AB and this point. So width of the canal is BC. The angle of elevation from the top of the tower is 60 degree. From this point C, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. From another point 20 meter away from this point say this D. This is 20 meter away from C. That means if BC is extended, then you find that from a point 20 meter away from C, this angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. Now find the height of the tower. That means what is AB, and width of the canal BC. What is BC? So you are given that angle ACB equal to 60 degree, angle ADB equal to 30 degree. You are given that CD equal to 20 meter, right? AB means height of the tower is what, and BC equal to what. Now let us come to in triangle ACB. You find that tan 60 degree equal to opposite by adjacent. Square root of 3 equal to AB means suppose height of the tower is H. BC is the width of the canal. So what is BC? BC equal to H divided by square root of 3, or you can write it as H root 3 divided by 3. So BC equal to 3 times of BC equal to H square root of 3. This is suppose equation number 1. Right? Again you come to triangle ADB. In triangle ADB, you can write tan 30 degree equal to opposite by adjacent BD. Tan 30 degree means 1 by square root of 3. What is AB here? AB is again H. BD. What is BD? BD equal to BC plus 20, right? So you can write it as BC plus 20 equal to h square root of 3. You can write it as BC equal to h square root of 3 minus 20. So you got BC here, right? So we can replace BC in equation number 1. This is suppose equation number 2. Now from 1 you get 3 times of BC. BC means h square root of 3 minus 20 equal to h root 3. So let us simplify this. 3 times of h square root of 3 minus 60 equal to h square root of 3. Let us simplify this. If you take h common, 3 root 3 minus square root of 3 equal to 60. You can take square root of 3 common, h into square root of 3 multiplied by 3 minus 1 equal to 60. That means h equal to 60 divided by 2 square root of 3. That is 30 divided by square root of 3. So if you rationalize the denominator, 30 root 3, that is 10 root 3. So this is the height of the TV tower. Height of the tower is height equal to 10 root 3 meter. Right? So you got the height of the tower 10 root 3 meter. Now you have to find the width of the canal. What is BC? Right? Now you can replace the value of h in this equation. Then you will get the width of the canal BC. So how do you get BC here? Therefore, BC equal to h root 3. H means 10 root 3. 10 root 3 multiplied by square root of 3 minus 20. That means root 3, 3. 3 into 10, 30. 30 minus 20, 10. 10 meter. So width of the canal is 10 meter. Height of the tower is 10 root 3 meter. So thank you viewers for watching this video.